గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ తెలుగు క్లాస్. ఈ రోజు మనము తెలుగు క్లాస్ లో చాకి చావత్తు పదాలు నేర్చుకుందాం. టేక్ అవుట్ యువర్ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్, పేజ్ నంబర్ 1010. ఓకే, లుక్ ఎట్ ఆన్ ద బోర్డ్. చాకి దీర్ఘం ఇస్తే చావత్తు, చాకి గుడి ఇస్తే చీవత్తు, చాకి కొమ్మ ఇస్తే చూవత్తు, చూకి చావత్తు, చాకి ఏకం ఇస్తే చేకి చావత్తు, చాకి గోతం ఇస్తే చోకి చావత్తు, రాకి చావత్తు, లాకి చావత్తు, మాకి చావత్తు, సాకి చావత్తు, డాకి చావత్తు, రాకి గుడి దీర్ఘం ఇస్తే రీకి చావత్తు. ఇలా ప్రతి లెటర్ కి మనం చావత్తు ఇస్తాము అని కొన్ని ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ అన్నమాట ఇది. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ మనం పదాల్లోకి వెళ్దాము. ఫస్ట్ వన్, నాకి గుడి ఇస్తే చాకి ఏకం ఇస్తే చేకి చావత్తిస్తే నిచ్చే నిచ్చేనా. ఓకే, సెకండ్ వన్, పాకి కొమ్మిస్తే చాకి చావర్తిస్తే కాకి దీర్ఘమిస్తే పుచ్చకాయ. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ వన్, పాకి గుడి ఇస్తే చాకి కొమ్మిస్తే చూకి చావర్తిస్తే పిచ్చుక. ఫోర్త్ వన్, మాకి గుడి ఇస్తే రాకి గుడి ఇస్తే రీకి చావర్తిస్తే మిర్చి. ఓకే, ఈ 4 పదాలు మీరు నోట్బుక్ లో ఒక్కొక్క పదము 5 టైమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, థ్యాంక్ యూ. Hello kids, welcome to our Hindi class. Today I am going to tell you page number 11. These new 2 bits I will explain you. Look here. Here some pictures are there. You have to identify them. Okay children, identify and write the name. Look here. What is this picture? This is lotus. In Hindi, what you have to say? Kamal. Kamal, no? You have to write the name. Kamal. And this is next one. I means Nayan. You have to write in this dash. Nayan. You have to say and write children. Next one, Kalam. Kalam means pen. Kalam. This is Kamal. This is Kalam. Don't confuse. Okay children. Now next one. What is this? This is waterfall. In Hindi झरना बोलते. ओके, सेकेंड झरना. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, रोड मीन्स सड़क. सड़क. Now next one children, what is this? This is duck. You have to say bathak. Bathak. Once repeat children. Kamal, Nayan, Kalam, Jharna. You have to write A ki matra here. Okay? Jharna, Sadak, Batak. Okay, children. Now next one, fill in the blank. Already we have learned this. We have learned in circle. Here they have given in boxes and they have given arrows also. With this help, you have to form a word and write here. Okay? Look here. Common letter is H. Look carefully, children. Common letter is H. And some letters they have given. Some boxes are empty. We have to fill in these boxes. Okay, children. Look here. B, H. Which letter we have to write here? B, H, S. Bahas. Okay? B, H, S. So you have to write here and form a word, and next you have to write on the lines. Bahas, bahas. Good. Now next one. Look here. You have to observe the arrows also. Arrows, they are facing upside. Okay? La, ha, ra. Ra you have to write here. Lahar, la, ha, ra. La, ha, ra. Lahar. You have to write in this line. La, ha, ra. Lahar. Next one, look children. He didn't give first letter. They have given two letters. Next two letters we have to write in this box. Ha, ra, ha. You have to write sha, sha, ha, ra. Shahar. Right here. Sha, ha, ra. Shahar. You have to write in your textbook page number 11, children. Practice these two bits. Okay? See you in next class.
Hello everyone, welcome to English class. In today's class, we are learning vowels. Okay, I have written alphabets on the board. We will find out what are vowels. How many vowels are there? Let us find out. A, E, I, O and U. We'll write this here. A, E, I, O, U. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are vowels. We have 5 vowels. Rest of the letters are called consonants. Okay, how to use these vowels? We'll practice now. Now, look at the board. We have some words. Look here. Ant, egg, ink pot, orange, umbrella. What we have to write here? A or an? How do we know that? We know it by seeing the first letter. You have to see the first letter. If first letter is starting with vowels A, E, I, O, U, then we can write an. Okay? Now this letter is starting with A. So we have to write an. Okay? Vowels A, E, I, O, U. With these letters, if any word is starting, we have to write an. Now look here. Egg. What we have to write? An egg. Because this is starting with E. Next, I. Ink pot. We have to write an ink pot. An ink pot. Next, orange. An orange. Umbrella. An letters are consonants. So we can write A here. Words starting with consonants, we are writing A. A bat, a goat, a van, a cat, a fan, a pot. Okay, like that. Here we are writing the. Why we are using the? Because earth is only one earth. So we are specifying with the earth. The earth. The Bible. Like that we have to write. The sun. The Himalayas. The Ramayana. Okay, the earth, the Bible, the sun, the Himalayas, the Ramayana. Okay, now we have some exercises in page number 3636. You have to write these blanks on your own. Okay, see it and fill it. Okay, welcome to maths class. In today's class, we are learning place values in 3-digit numbers. Okay, now tell this ones, tens, hundreds. This is abacus. We'll count these circles and write the number. Now count these circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Write down 6 in hundreds place. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 in ones place. Now what is this number? Read this number. 6 in hundreds place, 4 in tens place, 4 in ones place. So 600 plus 4 tens, 40 plus 4 ones, 4. What is the number? 644. Okay. Now take page number 7070. We'll write place value. Look here. 8 in 849. We have to see the place and write the value of the place. Look at the board. 5 in 445. What I told you to write? Ones, tens, hundreds. Now here they are asking 5. What is the place value of 5? 5 is in which place? Ones place. So value of 5 is 5. 5 ones are 5. Next. 9 in 896. Write down ones, tens, hundreds. Which number they are asking? 9. So underline 9. 9 is in which place? Tens place. 9 tens are 90. Value of 9 here is 90. 6 in 643. Write down ones, tens, hundreds. Underline 6. 6 is in which place? Hundreds place. So 600. 3 in 531. Underline 3. Write down ones, tens, hundreds. 3 in tens place. So value of 3 is 30 here. Okay. Next. 4 in 436. Write down ones, tens, hundreds. Underline 4. What is the value of 4 in hundreds? 400. Write down 400. Rest of the sums, do it on your own. Page number 7070. Hello everyone, welcome to science class. In this class already we have discussed kinds of plants. Okay, now I am giving you question answers. Take out page number 120 and write down answers. I have given answers on the board. Read the question first before writing answer. What are trees? Give 2 examples. Big and strong plants are called trees. Example, mango tree, neem tree. Once again, big and strong plants are called trees. Example, mango tree, neem tree. Okay? Next. Give finger gap and write these answers. Write answers on the line. Second question. What are shrubs? Give 2 examples. Bushy plants are called shrubs. Example, rose, hibiscus. Bushy plants are called shrubs. Example, rose, hibiscus. Next. Third question. What are seasonal plants? Give 2 examples. Answer. Plants live only for a season are called seasonal plants. Plants live only for a season are called seasonal plants. Example, rice, wheat. Fourth question. Why are some plants called climbers? Plants with very weak stem need support to grow. They are called climbers. Example, money plant. Repeat one more time. Plants with very weak stem need support to grow. They are called climbers. Example, money plant. Fifth question. How do thorns protect some plants? Thorns protect some plants from